Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Shelton. I'm going to get started with today's lesson. It's going to be on butterflies. I joined many of your classroom meetings last week and I noticed that many of you guys were doing a scholastic news that had to do with butterflies, with caterpillars and then butterflies, the stages of becoming a butterfly. So I'm going to start today's project. You're going to want to find a piece of paper, any type of paper that you can find. Find something to draw with. It can be a marker, a pencil, a crayon, a pen, whatever you have. When you get your paper and your drawing utensil, you're going to find the middle of your paper. So take your finger, find the middle of your paper. We are going to start with a long skinny oval, like a hot dog shape. And you're going to make that right in the middle of your paper, like this. Leave a little space up here because you're going to actually add two little antennae. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add stripes because when you guys color this in, I want you guys to color this in a pattern, an A-B pattern, which means you're going to choose two colors and then you're going to kind of go A, B, A, B. So if you choose two colors and I happen to choose green and orange, you'll color it green, orange, green, orange. It does not have to be green and orange. You can choose any two colors that you want. Okay. And you can put two little eyes here if you want. Then we're gonna start by making the wings. And whatever we make on this side, we have to make the exact same thing on this side. That's called symmetry. So whatever I do to this side of my butterfly, I must do to this side. So if I create one big wing, and I'm gonna make mine really big all the way to the end of the paper, and I kind of made mine like a sideways heart. So if you look like that, it looks like a sideways heart. Okay? And you can actually even turn your paper if you want and go like this, whatever's easiest for you. So I did it to this side and this side, so they're both the same. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make a bottom wing here and another bottom wing here. So I have two wings on this side and two wings on this side. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make some details or some designs in our wings. I'm gonna make a little opening here, and since I did it to this side, I'm now gonna do it to this side over here. Okay. Now down here, I might do something a little different. On this one, I'm just going to kind of trace the same shape. So what I did is I just made a smaller version of this. I'm gonna go over here and do the same. And I'm actually going to add another little detail here, just a small bump here. And I think I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna do the same thing. One here and one here. You can be creative and add whatever you want in yours. You don't have to do the same as mine. Once you draw your wings, you can put the details inside however you want. But remember, whatever you do to this side, you must do to that side to keep it symmetrical. I'm gonna put some little circles here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some circles here. And on this one, I'm just gonna put some lines. Same thing to this side. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose my two colors for the middle, for my A-B pattern. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color these in. I'm going to skip that one. blue. I'm gonna go ahead and do blue or turquoise. I'm gonna skip. I'm gonna do the same thing all the way down. You guys are gonna wanna take your time to get in all the little white spaces. I'm going pretty quickly on mine for the video, so you guys aren't sitting and waiting for me too long. I'm gonna go back with my green. The only thing with these two colors I'm noticing is that they're pretty similar. So you might want to choose two totally different colors so your pattern shows up better. You guys can pretty much do it however you want. It's your project. So be super creative. And come in here. I'm gonna go ahead and change. I'm gonna try to use some colors I haven't used yet. I'm gonna do orange here. Ooh, I like this one because it's nice and bright. Do this one here. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some yellow. You guys are gonna go ahead and color the whole thing in. You can decide here if you guys wanna keep it one color or if you wanna make it a pattern. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my one color. It looks black in the picture a little bit, but this is really dark green. I'm gonna go ahead and color this side the same. It's taking a little longer with the Sharpie markers because they have a nice pointy ends. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna color this part yellow, like this. I'm gonna try to keep mine pretty bright colors because it reminds me of springtime. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and color some of this in, and then so you guys aren't sitting and waiting for me to color the whole entire thing in, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a picture at the end so you guys can see my butterfly all finished. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here so that you guys can see. So we have a good start on our butterfly. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish coloring mine all in, and at the end of this video I'll post a picture so that you guys can see the butterfly all finished. Okay, I can't wait for you guys to finish these. I'm gonna see you guys all on your meetings. You can also turn it into Google Classroom, and if you look on the Google Classroom, there's a place where you can actually take a picture of your project and then submit it, or you can email it to me, or you can email it to your classroom teacher and they can share it with me however you want to show me, or I can see you on your Zoom meeting this week and you can share it on your Zoom meeting. Good luck and have fun.